In this section, we're going to deploy our Vidly application to Heroku. If you have never worked with Heroku before, there are 2 steps you need to follow. First, you need to create a Heroku account. It's very simple, it's free, it only takes a few seconds. Then you need to install Heroku CLI. So search for Heroku CLI. Here's the first link. And on this page, you can find the installer for your operating system. You can see if you're a Mac user, you can install it with Homebrew, which is really easy. Once you install Heroku CLI, then open up the terminal and run Heroku-v. So as you can see, I'm using Heroku CLI version 6.13, but there is also an update available to version 6.15. Now, I'm not worried about this update because what I'm going to show you in this section works perfectly fine with either versions. So now you need to log in. So Heroku, login. Here you need to enter your email and password that you use when creating an account on heroku.com. So my account is programmingwithmosh@gmail.com. So you can see I'm successfully logged in. Now chances are this step may fail on your machine if you are behind a firewall that requires the use of a proxy to connect with external HTTP services. If that's the case, you need to set an environment variable. So on Mac, we use export. On Windows, we use set. We set HTTP_proxy. And here you add your proxy server. Let's say HTTP proxy.server.com. And here you add the port number. Once you set that, then try logging in with Heroku login one more time. So go ahead, create a Heroku account, download Heroku CLI, and log in before continuing to the next lecture where we prepare our application to deploy to Heroku.